I often wondered, in case of a duet, how does a composer handle a situation where the characters are different, the musical character, the speech is different, the text is different, lyrics is different, aspirations of communication are different. And in a normal, let's say a love song or a tragic song, and then there is a situation where philosophies are different, the entire perspective of two singers are different. And I have brought in an example from a popular song which goes like this. I'll initially present the song in a way that normally we hear without much of a consciousness. So when you do that, this is how you will probably get to hear the song. The main part comes much later, and the main part is like Zindagi sirf mohabbat nahi kuch aur bhi hai zulf aur rukhsar ki jannat nahi kuch aur bhi hai. Now, when I look at the composers while thinking about this song, this is what I get. Okay, now you have to be very, very stanza there is an interrelationship between the two, whereas Book on the Frontier is trying to create a subject, okay, and talking about creating a theme. This talks about the expansion of our thoughts. This stanza will talk about the expansion of the thoughts, okay. So तुम मुझे भूल भी जाओ तो ये हक है तुमको, okay, is the theme, okay. So I let you go, I let you go, you are not, I will not hold your culprit, okay. But then she has to still express her philosophy, उसका फलसफा उसको कहना है. So this is how she goes. Against the backdrop of these beautiful sub-notations, okay, you can see now hardcore bass, hardcore conscious notations being used for the main version. ज़िंदगी सिर्फ मोहब्बत नहीं कुछ और भी है, रुखसार की जन्नत नहीं कुछ और भी है, भूख और प्यास की. Actually, it is a very sentimental part. It's talking about socialist philosophy. The singer has a chance to do भूख और प्यास की, but no. Since he's talking about since there's a display of a strong main character, it is kept very simple.